Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter app. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. Then you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here uninstall, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.